Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from America's Gold and Silver Corporation. And let me tell you, it's not exactly a gold mine of thrilling information, but we'll dig up some interesting nuggets. This report is basically a snapshot of how the company is doing required by the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This report is required by the SEC. It's called a Form 6K and it's used by foreign companies to keep investors updated. Think of it like a monthly check-in, but instead of your doctor, it's America's Gold and Silver talking to its investors. This report includes the company's audited annual financial statements and management's discussion and analysis. So let's dive in. That's the meat and potatoes right there. The management discussion and analysis is where the company's leadership talks about how things went during the year and what they see happening in the future. It's like reading the CEO's diary, but one that's been carefully checked by lawyers. Now, without going line by line through the financial statements, let's focus on some highlights from the included reports. Alright, let's wrap things up and talk about the big picture. America's Gold and Silver Corporation, based on this report, seems to be navigating a pretty complex landscape. Their financial performance is really dependent on metal prices, which, as we know, can go up and down on any given day. It's worth noting that Peter McRae, the Chief Legal Officer and Senior Vice President Corporate Affairs, signed off on this report. This is important since it tells us who is making the company's filings. So what's the verdict? America's Gold and Silver operates in a very volatile industry. The report highlights the importance of keeping an eye on metal prices and the company's ability to manage its projects efficiently. One could also mention that this filing is not very informative in general. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe for more corporate decoding.